Pebia Nidia or the TikTok or friend who Sheikh Ibrahim Ahmed Mamboni. Mahu say videos are all no or chippy say or times from Koma Nipa or Mufri no mote Ashanti region. Me pacho South Africa for xenophobic attacks. And now person address issue no. Me who ya say or can xenophobic attacks no some can say Nipa mu Ashanti region special. And what said or can say now can xenophobia na no ba and an mabone so Islam in every Ashanti region. Or why no Ashanti or can xenophobia and some no some I was struggling to see the link between xenophobic attacks and Ashanti region because he didn't for once be no can at the Bonacra Nipa Mufri and Nipa Monte Ashanti region for it. And of course on the bem. Or time who no no. Oh, can xenophobia asem no. What said that kasa ma creating impression me say mo Mufri Ashanti region no Monte Ashanti region. Problem Emma Islam. But what's on me and ade ba ko pa Nipa Mufri and Monte Ashanti region. Aye Emma Islam etimi aye enya dimbone we no also work as a phobia who create a similar situation or Ghana ha but the abuan ne say why you do it next stage in every month you stage ni na do it ni yes an come do it ma mu at the corner work ama matia de na me dwene ho na say na asema work can where is the hell and tail of asema work can because who link between South Africa xenophobia no any Ashanti region for e na asem no otan hunu ben no omra bi no ma chichire mu the link between xenophobia and Ashanti region no ye twen no